So ours is a globally unique technology because we have competing technologies from US as well as from Europe. But the differentiation is between our technology and the global technologies is that we produce a certain component which is called aromatics, which is necessary for this fuel to become 100% allowable to be put into aircraft. Right now the allowed limit is only up to 50%, but our target is that this neat fuel itself can be put in the aircraft without blending with your fossil derived fuel. So globally there are very few technologies which can meet that requirement, and we have met all the specification required to become 100% sustainable aviation fuel, which is drop in, and we can directly put in the aircraft.
Please expand the word drop in.
So drop in means the fuel can be directly put inside the aircraft without doing any modification in the fuel or in the aircraft. So like that means it is exactly like your normal aviation turbine fuel or ATF or biokerosene. This is biokerosene, and the properties will be exactly same. So that means we can use it directly inside the aircraft.